Hey kids, here's the last review. This sheet right here is very handy. Try to memorize this, okay? At least you memorize these equations over here, all right, on the right-hand side. Um, it's a really handy thing to know, okay? Memorize those for your test. All right, also, this units to know handout, I will give you this piece of paper right here for a test, for your final, right? I'm going to refer to this as I work, but I'm not going to show you the paper, okay? I've got all these memorized, so I'm not even going to look at it. All right. I'm also going to be using, of course, a handy-dandy calculator, very important. And I left my beloved pencil at school, so I'm making this video with a pen. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes, but I probably will. All right, we're going to start off by converting 4 feet to centimeters. Let's zoom in some. All right, how's that? Okay, 4 feet to centimeters. All right, so 4 feet. And look, these lines make perfect little things. So I'm just going to do this. All right. I want to go from feet to inches, 12 inches. All right, 12 inches make a foot, so my feet are going to cancel out. Now I'm at 48 inches. But I need centimeters. Well, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. You know, I think I write worse in pen than I do in pencil. That's hard to believe, but it's possible. Times 2.54 equals 121.92. All right, centimeters. Okay, 121.92 centimeters. Just find the closest answer. Hey, look, 122. Okay, these may be rounded off. Just pick the best answer. All right, convert 12 centimeters per second to inches per minute. All right, that's easy. 12 centimeters over 1 second. All right, that's centimeters per second. I'm going to go to inches per minute. Oh, let's change time first. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. All right, my seconds cancel out. Now I get centimeters over minutes. But I want inches over minutes. So 2.54 centimeters are going to go on the bottom this time. 1 inch goes on top. Okay, my centimeters cancel out. Remember, you only cancel things from top to bottom, right? Or bottom to top, top, bottom, bottom, top. Okay, you can't cancel side to side. So if your units that you want to cancel out end up side by side, you need to flip something over. Okay, take it and inverse it. All right, 12 times 60 divided by 2.54 equals 283.5. All right, look, right there it is. That's A. All right. These are shuffled, or will be shuffled on your test. You know, they may not be shuffled here. Anyway. All right, question 3 is here. The answer choice is in the back. What is the momentum of a 5-kilogram rock rolling down a hill at 10 meters per second? Momentum is equal to mass times velocity. That's a mass right there, 5 kilograms, and velocity meters per second, all right? So what we're going to do is take our 5 kilograms times 10 meters per second, and our units are going to be 5 kilograms meters per second, okay? Nothing cancels out, and for momentum, there is no simplified unit like newtons or joules, okay? So 5 kilograms meters per second is the answer we're looking for. Let's go to the next page where the answers are. And wait a minute. 5 times 10 is not 5, it's 50. Right? See, even Mr. Holmes makes mistakes. 50. All right, there's 50 kilograms meters per second. All right, the only important thing there was really finding the right unit. Okay, what is the weight of a 7-kilogram rock on Earth's surface? Okay, weight is equal to mass of the object times gravity. Okay, weight is a force. 7 kilograms is my mass. What's G? You guys better remember this one. Okay, you're gonna need to know it. 9.8 meters per second squared. All right, is equal to my weight. So my weight is going to be equal to 7 times 9.8. A little bit less than 70 would be 68.6. And kilogram meter per second squared is actually a newton, so 68.6 newtons. All right. You also need to remember that these combined units make newtons. Okay, forces, weight, measured in newtons. All right. How much work is done if a rock is moved a distance of 13 meters, that's my distance, by a force of 36 newtons? Turns out work is a simple equation. It's force times distance. Okay, so I've got 36 newtons, applying a force for 13 meters. All right, and your units end up being a newton times a meter, which is actually a joule. Okay, so 36 times 13, 468. All right, that's easy enough. There's your answer. Oh, sorry, I was off the screen there for a minute. Okay, 36 newtons, 13 meters. That times that is a Newton meter, so you're doing 36 times 13. All right, you get 468 joules. All right. Question number 6. Yeah, there's only 7 questions on here. This is easy. What is potential energy? Oh, potential energy equation is equal to mass times gravity times height. Okay, again, you got to remember G. It's not given to you. 3 kilograms, that's a mass. 17 meters, that's a height. All right, so potential energy is going to equal 3 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared times 17 meters. Okay, grab your calculator. 3 times 9.8 times 17 equals 499.8. Let's round that off to 500. All right, our units are kilograms. Meters times meters is meters squared over seconds squared. Okay, and meter times a meter is a meter squared. This whole thing right here is the lovely joule. Okay, remember energy has units of joules. So our answer is 500 joules. Right over there, D. Okay, last but not least, what is the kinetic energy of 5 kilogram rock rolling down a hill at 10 meters per second? Kinetic energy equals 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. So we take 1/2 times 5 kilograms times my velocity, 10 meters per second. Now you're squaring the velocity. This is the velocity, okay? So I'm squaring the numbers and the unit. So 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100, right? You guys should all know that. And then you square the units. So you're going to end up with meters squared over second squared. So 2.5 times 100 would be 250. Okay, now my unit's going to be kilograms, meters per second, and this is quantity squared, which is a kilogram meter squared over second squared, or just a joule. All right, so we're looking for an answer of 250 joules. All right, there you go. That's it, guys. So there we go. All right. So what you just saw was D10 review Q6. This is your last homework assignment for the semester. I don't think we're going to have any others. All right. Your final is tomorrow on Tuesday. And then your EOC test will be a couple weeks later. All right. I think on like May 11th. All right. Make sure you study. Watch these videos, pause it, try the problems yourself, see if you can memorize these formulas. All right. I will give you this sheet for your test. Okay, I want you guys to memorize these. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Bye.